What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Episode 14. Got a set of Enkei, or the NT03s, doing today in Chameleon Violet. This is a super cool color. It's one of my favorite colors, so every time I get to shoot it, I'm pretty stoked. Hopefully we'll get some good footage of the actual color, because I know trying to capture it on a camera or video is pretty hard. So we'll get started with that right now. All right, these are the ones we'll gotta go through and remove these caps. These are a little different than normal caps. You gotta pull, use an Allen head, pull all the screws out. And these of course have dual valve stems. So we'll go through and pull all those out right now and get them into the sandblasting cabinet. Got the black on these wheels and curing in the oven right now. I'm gonna be committing kind of a cardinal sin among powder coaters. I'm gonna be spraying the top coat on these hot. A lot of powder coaters won't spray anything hot. There's a few colors that I prefer to do it that way. Just gets the color a little more, I'd say the flake a little heavier, which in this case makes the color a little more vibrant. I've done it enough now that I'm not getting runs or thick spots or anything crazy. You know, there's a lot of videos on YouTube that encourage you to spray hot, and most powder coaters will be shaking their head when they see that, or maybe even see this. I don't even know. I do know that a lot of the kind of amateur powder coaters that encourage you to spray hot, when I watch them do it, I know that there are a ton of problems. It looks probably okay in a video and even some pictures, but anybody who's powder coated to any degree knows how much of an issue that can be. So I'm gonna be spraying the Chameleon Violet top coat over top of these right now, and we'll show you that.
Listen. Listen. corny, y'all mad famous for being unknown.